Oh,
Are you good, bro?
sorry about that.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? This is Sapirs, and we're back with another banger today. Today we're gonna be going in Target and doing a little spray bottle prank.
It's gonna be sneezing on people, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right into it.
Choo!
Shit.
You sneeze, bro? Are you straight, bro?
Yeah.
Didn't you test positive, bro?
That was like a week and a half ago.
Oh, it's a week and a half ago?
Yeah.
Alright, right.
Which one?
Wait.
Is it this stuff?
Yeah, I think it's right and sneeze.
You straight?
Yeah, bro, I'm straight, bro. Choo!
That's you, nigga.
Bro.
You good?
Hold on, bro.
Dude, which one did Mom want us to get? I think it's this one.
Achoo, looking at that, boy.
Oh!
Are you good, bro?
Sorry about that.
Are you straight?
Wait.
This nigga's dumb. He didn't do it.
Sitting in the dirt, watching Steven Universe. I just wanna flirt, I don't wanna get you hurt. I can be a jerk, please don't get me to the curb. We can make it work, put our faces on a shirt. Sing a little song, we can make it really long. I just wanna vibe, I can do it all day long. I was headed left, so I always treat you right. Knew you were the one when I saw you last night. Rubbing through your hair, I can see you really care. When you're not around, I be wishing you were here. Wanna hold your hand, Paramore her favorite band. I'm your biggest fan, taking pictures in the sand. Kissing on your lips while I'm grabbing on your hips. Can you hold me down? Can you make it last a while? Love it when you smile, looking cuter than a mouth. Girl, you make me smile, haven't done that in a while.